First of all, we have to go to the menu and we have to select Setup. Next we are going to go to the vehicle settings, and here you can actually customize certain things with the door lock settings. The next interesting option that we have here is the remote to press unlock. I'll show you what it means. So normally when we lock the vehicle, which is currently locked, the first press of the unlock button opens the driver door first, and the second one opens the rest of the doors. But you can change that. You can turn this option off, and now, right now the vehicle is locked, all 4 doors, and look what happens now. I press the button once and all 4 doors are now unlocked. One more time. All the doors are locked. I press once and all 4 doors are unlocked.